So this is a research that was created by AI Agent, and not only that, this research is very detailed, but also it includes some visualization like graphs and charts to make the document a lot easier to digest. So you can create something that looks like this using a free AI agent called Skywork AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this free AI agent tool to do research and even creating a document completely for free. And right now, according to the quick research that I have done using Perplexity, this super agent called Skywork is ranking #1 globally in the Gaia benchmark. And I think it is referring to this benchmark. And based on this data, it is actually no longer ranking #1, but the score is actually pretty high. It scores 0.8, while other AI agents usually scores around 0.4, 0.5, or 6 or 7. So it is no longer #1, but it's still pretty good. And not to mention, you can use it for free. So to use this AI agent, you have to navigate to skywork.ai, and then you can create a free account. And by the way, you can use the link in the video description and you'll get extra credits. Now, after that, you can start creating a document or doing a research using this AI agent tool. It is actually quite similar to Manus and GenSpark. Now, for this example, I'll try to do a research about the prediction about AI agent. Well, actually not AI agent, AI AGI, so artificial general intelligence. I want to use this AI agent to predict when AGI will come out. So I'll try to use this simple prompt, and I'm going to select the template to be, let's say, I would say maybe general. Let's try general. And after that, you can also provide some document for references, but that is completely optional. And be sure that the search mode is enabled. It is very important. It will let AI agent to actually conduct a more thorough research on the internet. And after that, just send a message and wait for this AI agent to gather all the data and then read all the content and create a report for you. So from my testing, Skywork is actually a bit slower than GenSpark, although it doesn't mean that the quality is bad. I think it just means that it reads a lot more pages and maybe a bit more careful at generating the report. So I'll be back when it is done and I'll show you the result in a moment. So it spent like half an hour to create this report, but finally it is done. So apparently, according to this document, according to the research that was done by Skywork Super Agent, the AGI will come probably at the end of the 2020s, or basically between 2029 to 2035. So I would say that's a somewhat reasonable prediction. And by the way, if you want to download this, you can click on this button and then click the format that you want to get. Right now, documents like the DOC, DOCX, and PDF are available for free. But apparently it is also limited time. I think they're giving this for free at the moment, but I cannot guarantee in the future. Still, you can use this AI tool to create a research document, and then you can download the research in just a few minutes. So if you find this tutorial to be useful, and if you want to see more AI tutorials like this one, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.